The emirate that is home to towering skyscrapers, luxury shopping, clean streets, and desert safaris, and is the most popular among the 7 emirates of the United Arab Emirates, is Dubai. Number 1. Burj Khalifa. Located in the city center of Dubai, it is the world's tallest skyscraper, reaching up to 828 meters and boasting a total of 163 floors. It features observation decks known as At the Top on the 124th and 125th floors. The views of the city, desert, and sea from here are truly impressive. When you visit Dubai, don't forget to see Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world. Number 2. Palm Jumeirah. It is a famous artificial island complex named after its palm tree-shaped structure. Here, you can find world-renowned hotels, with the most famous one being Atlantis the Palm. This hotel offers luxurious accommodation, a water park, and an underwater aquarium, among many other features. For those interested in shopping, Nakheel Mall is available. Transportation across the island is provided by the Palm Jumeirah monorail, which goes all the way to Atlantis the Palm Hotel. You can reach Palm Jumeirah from Dubai city center by car in approximately 25 minutes. Number 3. Dubai Mall. It is the world's largest shopping center, hosting more than 1,200 stores and a 5-star hotel. It is located adjacent to the iconic Burj Khalifa skyscraper. Here, you can fulfill your entertainment and activity needs by visiting impressive tourist attractions such as the Dubai Aquarium and underwater zoo. While strolling through the shopping center, you will see diver figures descending from the high ceiling. Its name is Dubai Mall Waterfalls, and it is an artificial waterfall. Don't forget to visit this enchanting shopping center. Number 4. Dubai's desert. This modern and luxurious city offers a wonderful place where you can savor the natural beauty. This desert often includes the Great Red Sand Desert, which is typically shared with Abu Dhabi, and more mountainous areas near the Hatta Mountains. If you want to enjoy the desert landscapes, desert safari tours are a popular activity. During these tours, you can explore the desert in 4-wheel drive vehicles or on camelback. You can also elevate your experience by taking a hot air balloon ride, going off-road with cars, and doubling the fun. Finally, watching the sunset from the top of a sand dune can be an unforgettable experience. Number 5. The Dubai Fountain. It is an enchanting attraction, located in a large artificial lake in front of Dubai Mall and Burj Khalifa. It offers a mesmerizing water show where water dances in synchronization with colorful lights from high-altitude jets. These water displays have become one of the symbols of Dubai. You can come here in the evening to watch this show, which is designed to match the music. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to stay tuned for more.